Anyone can put this together. Even as a beginner, I will teach you step by step on how to make a very simple but yet delicious shrimp spaghetti in no time. Stick around and let's cook. Before I introduce myself, let's take a look at one of the ingredients for this shrimp spaghetti recipe, which is shrimps. Now, the first thing you will do is using lemon or lime. You can also go for vinegar to thoroughly clean your shrimps. Those things are going to get rid of all the foul smell that comes with seafood. Now, you will take off the shell if that's what you want, or better still, let it be. I took off the shell of mine, leaving the tail behind. I love those tail for the crunchiness, but you can completely get rid of it. Now you will tap dry or leave it on a sieve just like this to let out all the liquid. I seasoned with salt and cracked pepper. I also went in with some amount of lemon juice. As we continue, let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much for still watching. Now that our shrimps is well cleaned and seasoned, it is time to do some multitasking. If you are a beginner, the first thing, another thing you want to do is bring a pot of water to a boil. Just let it cook on a gentle heat. Now, on the other side, get a pan, introduce some olive oil or on any oil of your choice. Butter is also perfect. Then bring in your shrimps. Now remember, we do not want to brown those shrimps. We just want to cook it to a certain stage, just for a short period of time. Now let it seal or sealing it. Let it seal the first side and then flip it to the other side. Then immediately you want to bring in some pressed garlic and good amount of butter. Now leave that just to cook on a gentle heat again. This time we are doing easy chili job in the kitchen today. On the other side again, my water was cooking already. I added some amount of salt, good amount of salt. Then bring in your spaghetti. So while you had your spaghetti, let it cook on its own. Here our shrimps is ready to take out of the pan. You see, we didn't brown it. It looks super good, not overcooked, just a short period of time. One thing I would tell the beginner here is, if your spaghetti is the one that cooks very fast, please wait until your tomato sauce, because we're making use of tomato sauce. Wait until your tomato sauce is almost ready. Then you can add your spaghetti to your pot so that you don't overcook your spaghetti. Now, on the same pan, or the shrimps pan, I added some amount of olive oil. I went in with my sliced onion. Go ahead and saute that until fragrance. I also added some amount of garlic, 2 garlic cloves, and then I'll bring in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You want to cook that until the raw taste is cooked off. Then you want to bring in your tomato sauce. You can make use of canned tomatoes. It's perfect. It's suitable to make use of. Okay, it's a good idea making use of canned one in this case. Or you can as well make use of fresh one with some bell pepper, red bell pepper. I had some frozen tomato sauce at home, so that's what I made use of. Stir everything together generously. Let it bubble cook a little bit, and then you can go ahead and taste it. Tasting in this case is very, very, very important. If you are lucky to have a tasty tomato sauce or tasty tomatoes, then perfect. If your tomato sauce is a little bit sour, or some are sour, then go in with 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Now I added 1 teaspoon of sugar. I added small amount of salt according to your preference. I added 2 teaspoons of oregano. Stir everything together. Continue to try. Tasting is very important. You want to achieve your goal before bringing the spaghetti. And then again, what I added was half a teaspoon or just more amount of vegetable powder. I added pepper, black pepper. Stir everything together. Taste again. Are you satisfied? Then bring in your spaghetti. At this point, introduce your spaghetti to your tomato sauce pan, adding some spaghetti water to loosen it up a little bit. according to your preference. If you know my spaghetti recipes, I will always say, please do not overcook it, and how to cook your spaghetti correctly. Stir everything together generously into the sauce. You want to add in your shrimps at this point, just to let it heat up a little bit without overcooking it. I came in with some chili oil for that spiciness. I love it. And then I came in with some touch of olive oil for the end taste of fresh olive oil. I came in with a arugula salad, which is optional and you can choose to skip it, but it's a game changer. I added some shredded Parmesan, and guys, it was delicious. All you need to do is incorporate everything and just drop the pan on the table, middle of table, everyone dig in, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching to the end, and I hope you like the recipe. Please check out my other recipes on this channel. You will love them. And please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. I love to read from you. Check out the ingredients in the description box. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Like this video for me, and bye for now.